Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Alpaca USDT, Alpaca Finance updates with my customer Kirsar. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, this video will be not when to buy or what to buy. This is more about the warning because, guys, we talk about if we got a bull run plan. I got a big playlist, but the main targets can be reached only if the token will be still exist on major exchanges. Major exchanges, I mean like Coinbase, Bybit, Binance. Binance made an announcement about the delisting of the Alpaca 2nd May. So I highly recommend you be careful with speculation, with investment, with trading of futures, with leverages, and with all of this stuff, guys. Just be careful because now Alpaca pump it. You remember this chart and the main target was like a weekly favorable gap, then 74 cents, and the monthly favorable gap, or at least like $1.81. But probably with 99%, I'm more than sure this target will be not reached, this cycle, because the Alpaca will be delisted from the Binance, and unfortunately, there will be no liquidity, to pump this token. Is it possible so this token pump, I don't know, to 46 to 59 or even 76 cents? In theory, of course, everything possible. You saw the example with Reef, which before the listing pumped at like almost 2,000% gains, and after that they removed it and they Reef dumped it even lower. That's why, guys, highly recommend you track all tokens under monitoring tag, and it doesn't mean this token will be 100% delisted because the Jasmine, for example, on the monitoring tag over the year, but this is a real case. So it's just a higher risk, higher risk when the token under monitoring tag. So, guys, I highly recommend you not hop in to this token, or if you want to speculate because before we get like 6, 7, around 10 days more, 9-10 days, this token will be still tradable on Binance. And yes, in theory, they can put the price so high. They can put the price to even to 20 cents, to 33. A lot of people just miss the announcement, miss the news. People not track the news. That's why I highly recommend you also follow on the Binance Square, or I guess on the Binance Twitter. I don't remember if they post an announcement on Twitter or not, but track the announcement and just add notification Binance Square or the email from Binance about upcoming delisting, and they post the announcement, and after that, before the announcement, usually this token pump, and after that, in the fact of the listing, the tokens can dump like, I don't know, even on other exchanges, like 60% down. Monero, yes, you can say, hey, Monero after the listing, recover back even higher, 100%. Yes, of course, it's possible, guys, but we can't compare the Alpaca Finance and the Monero. It's totally different league. So, guys, technically, no makes sense. Now talk about some crazy gains. We will see what will happen with Alpaca, but technically, guys, here we pump it on the Binance, right? And it was like here 191% already pump it, so we can go to 1133. It's possible to see, or even this one 1865. So you remember the example with the voxel, right? But guys, be careful, and I personally skip this token. A skip for speculation, a skip for investment, and you have to be careful because I posted the bull run plan, and I repeat again, it's a bull run plan relevant only if the token trade on the major exchanges. If the token delisted from the major exchanges, there's almost zero chances to recover back. Daily time frame, guys, take a look. This is distribution. Yes, unfortunately, it's a distribution. Yes, we've been in capitulation. This was an accumulation zone. So the whales can build the average entry here from the this one, 7, and after that the low, for example, 3. So average entry can be like 473. They can put the price to 8 with raw initial deposit, or fix 100% profit. So it's the pumps. It's not always about like crazy gains, right? For institutional, it's more than enough to put the price higher, like 100 and withdrawal initial deposit. That's why weekly gap, it's 10.79. 10.79. It's more than real to see in the next 10 days, even I don't know 1861. But guys, be careful. And here's a great example, guys. Always withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and sleep well. Here was a money inflow. We can go higher, but on that news about announcement, right? So here, like 4 hour time frame candle here, 1 hour time frame. It's just a magic. How they manipulate the price here in two candles, like in 2 hours, 200% gains. Madness, just a madness. For me, it's just weird. I don't understand why the big exchanges list the tokens and after that the list. So here was a buy, take profit from buy. Here is a sell. So if you trade on the futures, of course you can speculate. I don't know if the Alpaca exists in on purpose, but here was a buy, recommendation close position, buy. Last one, buy, sell, and now is nothing. So guys, I highly recommend you be careful. And this video is not when to buy. It's video more about warning, when to out. We traded on the female volume here. That's why we still can pump to 11, 10, 16 and take exit line 1264 in the next 10 days, right? But be careful, guys, because it's like warning and announcement already posted, so it's official information. Take profit line on the weekly, it's 21.24, exit line 23.75. So I'm not sure we will pump so high, but at least yes, we can if they get a plan to push the price higher, so that more and more people stock in this token and lose the money. They get a liquidation, yeah, so they can easily put the price even 100%, 200% more. But be careful, and I explain it. I skip this token, guys. We can confirm the Alpaca bull run plan invalidated mostly, but I think this token will be still tradable on other exchanges. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what is shown in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.